I am out here on this job today and decided I'd bring you guys along, show you guys a little bit. Machines are warming up. It's about 6:30, about 32 degrees, so everything's kind of frozen. But while that's warming up, just go run down. This job we are going to be doing some forestry mulching and some land clearing and some light demo work. This is up by Panama City, so a lot of the land is really tore up from Hurricane Michael still. We got the Sk140 excavator, and then behind me is our Caterpillar forestry mulcher. It's a drum mulcher. Hey folks, it's Jeremiah again. Hopped out of the machine because I wanted to show y'all something. So actually a surprisingly large amount of clients watch these videos. So I get asked a lot, as a client, how can you help me help you, right? So you want to help do stuff around the project to help lower the cost, help get it done faster, whatever. Right here behind me, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a fence there, and metal fences, barbed wire, chicken wire, whatever, get caught up in the mulcher very quickly, and then I have to get the torch out and cut it out. Takes a while, just a pain. So if you want to help, you can either go around and just paint, just get some orange or white paint, just something that stands out, and paint where there's a fence. So right here, you would just paint just these branches right here. And then I would know that there's a fence right here. Come on. See that? Now, this fence isn't that bad, but this one, see that fence? That's braided or twisted metal. Yeah. That one right there will give me quite a headache. All right, another thing, not as big of a deal, but see the garden hose? Those, they get caught in the mulcher as well, and sometimes you can mulch it out and just grind it up while it's in there. But other times you just gotta get some a razor blade and cut it out very easily. But, you know, that all helps. Now, what we're about to mulch over here is that mess of vines. So this is one of those areas where I don't know what's under it, and and you don't know what's under it. So you can just leave that alone. I'll handle that. But those little things over there, even marking, this is an old farm, like a hobby farm. So they have irrigation lines everywhere. Marking the spigots on those, that helps, because a lot of times what we find is the spigots are actually very close to the ground for some reason, like 4 to 6 inches off the ground, and then, you know, they're always covered by whatever, and then we end up hitting them and water goes everywhere. And you know, if the water's not turned off, this property, everything's turned off, so we don't have to worry about anything. And they're going to come in and run their own water and stuff like that. So, but I just wanted to share that, just a little helpful tip. Oh, sorry about the sun, can't see. And that can just So we found some more fence, but this time we caught it with the mulcher. So this is what it looks like, folks. See that? It's all wrapped up in the teeth of the mulcher. I gotta get the torch and cut these out. So, yay. When you've had enough and your mom keeps shoving more in. This video did not turn out at all like I thought it was going to. Oh well.